In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolio website in Webflow Beginners Tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional portfolio set up in Webflow, and you'll understand the essential choices that shape your site from the very start. First, head to Webflow in your browser and open your dashboard. This is your home base for managing every project. If you're brand new, don't worry. Everything we'll do is beginner friendly and focused on clarity. Now click New Site. This spins up a fresh project and takes you into the setup flow where you'll pick how you want to begin. You'll see three paths: a template, the AI site builder, or a blank site. Choose the option that matches your comfort level and timeline. Templates are great when you want a strong, professionally designed starting point you can customize quickly. The AI site builder can scaffold a structure based on prompts you provide, which speeds up layout decisions. A blank site is perfect if you want full control and prefer crafting every section from scratch. There's no wrong choice. Pick what helps you move fast while keeping quality high. If you go with a template, take a moment to browse. Look for designs created for portfolios and focus on the essentials. The hero section for your introduction, a project grid to showcase your work, and a contact area so people can reach you. Use the live preview to evaluate typography, spacing, and interactions, and make sure the layout holds up on mobile and tablet. Don't worry about stock content. You'll be replacing images and text. Just ensure the structure fits your style and goals. Once you're in the designer, it's time to customize. Start by updating global colors and fonts to match your brand so headings, buttons, and links stay consistent across the site. Rewrite the hero headline to clearly state what you do and who you help. Replace project thumbnails with your best work and link each to a detailed case study page. Short summaries and outcome highlights go a long way. If your template includes a CMS, open the CMS panel and edit collection items so content stays uniform across pages. Use the navigator to stay organized and the style panel to manage classes instead of styling elements one by one. And check the site on different breakpoints and refine spacing so it reads well on smaller screens. Optimize images for fast loading, add descriptive alt text, and keep interactions subtle and purposeful. When you're happy with the look and feel, review your pages end to end to confirm navigation buttons and forms are clear and consistent. Save your work. Congratulations, you've just created your portfolio website in Webflow.